Hello students, today's topic is Wheatstone bridge. It is an arrangement of four resistors in the form of bridge used for measuring one unknown resistor in terms of other three known resistors. This is the diagram of Wheatstone bridge. This bridge has four resistors P, Q, R, S. All resistors are connected to each other in different combination with a battery. Here AC arm is called battery arm. A galvanometer G is connected between B and D, where BD is called galvanometer arm. For simplicity, we assume that cell has no internal resistance. So, in this arrangement, we will find the balance condition. But what is balance condition? And how can we get this balance condition? यहाँ पर चार रजिस्टर है P, Q, R, S. ये कनेक्टेड है एक दूसरे से, आपको दिख रहा होगा, और G यहाँ पर है गैल्वेनोमीटर. अब हमें क्या करना है, हम किर्चॉफ लॉज अप्लाई करेंगे और उनको अप्लाई करने के बाद हम बैलेंस कंडीशन निकालेंगे. इस व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज की सबसे अच्छी खासियत ये है कि अगर हमें तीन रजिस्टर्स की वैल्यू पता होती है तो जो बैलेंस कंडीशन हमारे पास आती है उससे हम फोर्थ वाले की वैल्यूज़ फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. अब बैलेंस कंडीशन क्या है और कैसे हमें मिलती है? हाउ कैन वी गेट दिस बैलेंस कंडीशन? व्हेन करंट थ्रू द गैल्वेनोमीटर आर्म becomes zero or there is no deflection in galvanometer, then this bridge is said to be balanced. At this stage, the potential at point B and D is equal. So, when there is no current passing through the galvanometer, this bridge is said to be balanced. But how can we get balance condition in terms of resistors R, P, Q, R, S? We know there is a balance condition according to current. When there is no current passing through the galvanometer, then the bridge is said to be balanced. But how can we get this balance condition in terms of resistors? This is the main point. So, to get that balance condition, we will use Kirchhoff law. We apply Kirchhoff law in this loop and in this loop. Let us suppose there is I current flowing through this bridge, total I current. Then the current passing through this arm I1 and this arm I2. Let us suppose after going through this current from A to B, then B to D current is Ig. Till now, our Ig current is passing through the galvanometer arm. Let us suppose here I3 current and here I4 current. And after combining these currents, we get again I current. Now we will apply Kirchhoff law. Applying Kirchhoff's loop rule. In loop A, B, D, A, this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive, negative. From A to B, this is positive, so we get plus I1P. Then B to D, let us suppose Rg. Rg be the resistance of galvanometer. it will be equal to their positive negative. So we get plus Ig Rg, then plus from D to A negative I2Q equal to 0. Okay, till now there is no balance condition according to current. Now applying Kirchhoff's loop rule in loop B, C, D, B. We can take any loop, but here we have taken loop A, B, D, A, then another loop is B, C, D, B. From going to B to C, we get plus I3 R, then C to D minus I4 S, then minus Ig Rg equal to 0. Okay. Now this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Using balance condition. Balance condition is equal to Ig equal 0. When Ig equal to 0, then I1 is equal to I3 and I2 is equal to I4. So from 1 I1P plus 0 minus I2Q equal to 0, then this will be equal to I1P equal to I2Q, or P by Q is equal to I2 by I1. Equation number 3. From 2 we get I3 is equal to I1 equal to I3. So we put here I1 R minus I4 is equal to I2 S, and Ig becomes 0. So there is 0. Then I1 R is equal to I2 S. Then I1 divided by I2 equal to S by R, or I2 by I1 is equal to R by S. Equation number 4. So from 3 and 4 we get P by Q is equal to R by S. This is the balance condition for a Wheatstone bridge. When the ratio of P by Q is equal to R by S, then the bridge is said to be balanced. There is no need to know about the current, that is current is 0. In this case, current is always 0. When P by Q is equal to R by S, then the current through B to D is always 0. So when we get this equation, we does not need to know about the current through galvanometer. Understood? And this equation is called balance condition for galvanometer to give 0 or null deflection. And this is very, very important. If we know 3 resistor P, Q, R, S, then we get fourth. We will use this equation in meter bridge. because meter bridge is the practical application of Wheatstone bridge. Understood? Thank you.